Hello everyone, welcome back again. Quickly, let's start a new discussion on HTML elements. And today, we'll be talking about HTML tables. So, HTML tables allow web developers to arrange data in rows and columns. This is just an introduction to the HTML tables. So, I just want you to see this. This is called table. You can see company, contact, country, and you can see the text. These are all the names, and these are all the countries, and these are all the company names. So all these are inside what? Inside HTML tables. So to define a table in HTML consists of table cells inside rows and what? And columns. For example, this is table. You will close it with word, open and close table. So right, I haven't discussed this yet. This is just a brief introduction. Let me copy this and show you in our word, in our body. Let's firstly delete this. I have something here. Let's reload our document. Let's come here and paste the one we copied and save it. Right now, go back to you can see this place is empty right now. Let's reload it. Can you see what we're seeing? We are seeing company, contact, and country. Country, Germany, and Mexico. All this. Let's add one more company. Let's change this to Nigeria. So you can see what is going on. Can you see? This is Nigeria. The company change. So this is just an introduction. So in our future tutorial, in the next tutorial, we'll be talking about how we can control the table perfectly so we can become advanced level, because we are coming, don't forget, we are coming from the beginners to become the advanced in HTML elements. So I'm going to see you guys next time. Anwar akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys again. To the next.